what we're going to do is just get into something called a raft here. It's very similar to how we're sitting right now, where we're all side by side, close enough where if we wanted to, we could grab onto a neighbor's boat and hold on tight. To have both hands available, we're not going to have your paddle underneath our armpit, so it's in line with our boat. We're not whacking our neighbor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower you into the water, we're going to get into this position, and then I'm going to show you guys how to put down the rudder. So behind you, you'll see on your right hand side, there's the lowermost knot. When you're deeper in the water, it gets off, and you get that a pull towards you. That's going to deploy the light. So, I'm going to lower you out.